In the world of computers, processors are the brains that make everything work. For a long time, a few big companies controlled the designs of these processors, but now there's a new kid on the block, RISC-V, pronounced RISC-V. RISC-V is not just another processor, it's a revolution in computer architecture. Imagine a world where anyone can design, build and customize their own computer chips. That's the promise of RISC-V. This open-source approach is shaking up the tech industry and paving the way for innovation like never before. At its core, RISC-V is an instruction set architecture, or ISA. Think of it as a language that processors use to understand commands. What makes RISC-V special is its simplicity and elegance. Unlike other ISAs that are complex and proprietary, RISC-V is modular and free to use. This means anyone can take the basic building blocks of the architecture and create their own custom processors tailored to specific needs. This flexibility allows for a wide range of applications, from tiny sensors to powerful supercomputers. The open nature of RISC-V has sparked a wave of innovation in the tech industry. Startups and established companies alike are embracing this new freedom to design chips that meet their exact requirements. This open ecosystem fosters collaboration and accelerates the pace of development. With RISC-V, there are no more licensing fees or restrictions, allowing for greater accessibility and affordability. This has the potential to democratize chip design, making it possible for smaller players to compete in a market traditionally dominated by giants. The impact of RISC-V is already being felt across various sectors. From smartphones and wearables to data centers and autonomous vehicles, RISC-V is powering the next generation of devices. Its energy efficiency makes it ideal for battery-powered devices, while its scalability allows it to handle the demands of high-performance computing. As the RISC-V ecosystem continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. The future of computing is open, flexible, and powered by RISC-V.